Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix HeyGen not working problems in 2026. So if your videos are stuck, the site is not loading, or the avatar is not generating, yeah, this beginner troubleshooting guide will help you step by step. First, check your internet connection. So slow or unstable internet is one of the main reasons HeyGen stops working or gets stuck. Next, refresh the page or restart the HeyGen app. This fixes temporary glitches most of the time. So yeah, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache data can stop HeyGen from loading properly. Now try a different browser like Chrome or Edge. Sometimes extensions or browser settings cause conflicts. So yeah, turn off ad blockers or extensions. These can block scripts that HeyGen needs to run properly. Next, check if HeyGen servers are down. Sometimes the issue is not from your side, but from the platform itself. So yeah, if your video is too long or complex, it may fail to generate. Try shortening your script or splitting the video. Now log out and log back into your account. This refreshes your session and fixes login-related issues. Finally, if nothing works, contact HeyGen support. They can check your account or fix backend issues. And that's how to fix HeyGen not working problems in 2026. Once you follow these steps, most issues like loading errors, login problems, and generation failures can be solved quickly. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.